Hey y'all, today I'm going to give you a secret that might unlock the social media thing once and for all in your business and your lifestyle that doesn't require tons of time, tons of effort, and here it is. It's something called batch creation, and I utilize this method all the time. Usually once a week, I'll sit down, I'll make 5 to 10 videos, and I'll pre-make everything for the rest of the month. And so what is this called? This is called batch creation. You can do this for YouTube, you can do this for Instagram, you can do this for TikTok, all of the social media platforms, even emails. All of these platforms, you can sit down for 3 to 4 hours on your Monday morning, knock out the content for the rest of the week, and this saves so much time because think about it. If you were to sit down and get the camera out, get the lights out, by the time that's done, 30 minutes have passed by. You figure out how to turn the camera on, you get a good framing and angle, and so might as well use this time and utilize it, take advantage of it, and film multiple videos in one sitting. And so another tip that you can take is film a longer video, film a 5 to 10 minute long video, throw it into Opus Clips, make short clips, and then boom, you have content for short form and long form, all from this one sitting, and you can repurpose your content over and over and over again. So use batch creating. It is extremely helpful. That's what we tell all of our consulting clients. Like, this is a game changer, because if you were to sit down once a day and film one video every single day it usually takes about an hour by the time you set up, film, edit, and post. Efficiently, you're doing it in an hour. And so average, if you're filming like this every single week, you're probably going to spend 6 to 8, maybe even 10 hours if you're a perfectionist doing these videos, as opposed to sitting down for 3 to 4 hours at the beginning of the week, batch creating all of this stuff, filming and editing and scheduling on the platforms that you choose. This is going to save you tons of time. Just 1 week alone will literally cut the time in half that it takes you to create your content. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, make sure to hit subscribe. We're going to be putting up videos like this every single week. Make sure to also join the Howdy Media Insiders group if you're a business owner, if you're a creative. There's going to be a link in the description. There's about 171 members there as of right now, and it's so fun. Every Friday we go live, we do Q&As, we do master classes, and it's just people genuinely wanting to learn and grow their business. So I hope to see you guys there, and we will see you in the next video.